Want to know the 5 smartest buys that can make you richer? These middle-class secrets could be the key to building long-term wealth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to change your financial future. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Let's talk about getting richer, not through luck, but by making smart strategic purchases that actually build wealth. Today, I'll break down 5 things the middle class can buy to move toward financial independence. Forget flashy cars and designer clothes. True wealth is about acquiring assets that work for you. These purchases are accessible, practical, and proven to generate returns over time. I'll show you how to start, no matter your current financial situation. Ready to make your money work for you? Let's dive into the 5 smartest purchases you can make. Let's get into it. First up, the single most important wealth-building purchase for most people: index funds. If you want a truly hands-off way to grow your money, this is where you start. Index funds are like baskets holding hundreds, sometimes thousands of companies. Instead of gambling on picking the next big winner, you get to own a slice of the entire market, spreading your risk and increasing your chances of long-term success. Even Warren Buffett, one of the world's most legendary investors, recommends a low-cost S&P 500 index fund for the average person. He said it's the best way for most people to build wealth over time. Why? Because you're betting on the long-term growth of the entire economy, not just one company or one industry. As businesses innovate and expand, your investment grows right along with them. The beauty is in the simplicity. Buy the fund, automate your investments, and let it grow quietly in the background. No need to constantly check or stress about the market. Passive investing with index funds consistently beats most high-fee, actively managed funds. Plus, it keeps your emotions out of the equation, so you're less likely to make costly mistakes. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. That's a powerful rate of growth when you let it work for you over decades. For example, if you invest $500 a month from age 30 to 65, you could end up with over $1.7 million. Most of that coming from compound growth, not just your own contributions. That's the magic of compounding. The key is consistency and time. Set up automatic monthly investments, a strategy called dollar cost averaging, and stick with it through thick and thin. You don't need a lot to get started. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and others let you buy fractional shares for just a few dollars, making investing accessible to everyone. Diversification is built in. If one company tanks, hundreds of others help balance it out. Your risk is spread across the entire market, not just a handful of stocks. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven, reliable path to long-term wealth. It rewards patience and discipline, not luck or timing. Don't obsess over daily market swings or scary headlines. Just keep buying, no matter what the news says. The market will have ups and downs, but your steady investing will pay off. Before you consider anything else, make sure you're consistently investing in index funds. This should be the core of your wealth-building plan. Open a Roth IRA or a regular brokerage account, automate your contributions, and let the power of compounding do the heavy lifting for you. This is the foundation of real generational wealth, something you can pass down to your children and grandchildren. If you take away one thing from this video, let it be this: start buying index funds now. The sooner you begin, the better your results will be. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. Don't wait for the perfect time, just get started. The best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is today. Even small amounts invested regularly add up to big results over decades. Every dollar you invest today is working for your future. This is how the middle class can build wealth like the pros, by making smart, consistent choices and letting time do the rest. Make this your first and most consistent purchase. Prioritize it above all other investments. Let your money work for you, quietly, in the background, so you can focus on living your life. That's how you get richer, slowly, steadily, and surely, one investment at a time. Next, let's talk real estate. Specifically, how to buy a house the right way, so you set yourself up for long-term financial success. Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth thanks to leverage. With a relatively small down payment, you control a much larger asset, and any appreciation in value multiplies your returns dramatically. For example, if you buy a $400,000 house with an $80,000 down payment, and the home appreciates just 5% in a year, you've made a 25% return on your initial investment, far more than most savings accounts or stocks. Plus, every mortgage payment you make builds equity in your home, unlike rent, which simply disappears each month and builds nothing for your future. Want to supercharge this strategy? Try house hacking. Buy a duplex or multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the other to help cover your mortgage payments, sometimes even living for free. But be smart. Always factor in property taxes, insurance, and ongoing maintenance costs. These can add up, so plan ahead and budget carefully. Don't rush into buying your dream home first. Instead, start with a sensible property in a good area that fits your current budget and needs. Think of your first home as a stepping stone, not your final destination. It's a launch pad for your financial journey, not the finish line. Over time, you can upgrade to a better home, rent out your old place for extra income, or use your built-up equity to buy more property and expand your portfolio. Many millionaires have been made by simply repeating this process: buy, build equity, and move up. Start by saving diligently for a down payment and learning everything you can about your local real estate market. Analyze every deal carefully. Don't let FOMO or pressure from others push you into a bad purchase you'll regret later. Real estate isn't a passive investment. It takes work, research, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it's one of the most reliable and proven ways to build lasting wealth for you and your family. Focus on properties with strong fundamentals, good schools, job growth, and low crime rates. These factors help your investment grow steadily. Don't stretch your budget too thin. Buy what you can comfortably afford so you're not stressed every month. Use your first property to build equity, gain experience, and learn the ins and outs of real estate ownership. Over time, leverage your gains into bigger and better opportunities, growing your wealth step by step. Real estate is a long game, but if you stay patient and persistent, the payoff can be huge and life-changing. Be patient, do your homework, and always buy smart. The right property at the right price makes all the difference. That's how you turn a simple house into a true wealth-building machine that works for you. Make your home purchase a strategic move, not just an emotional one, and you'll set yourself up for financial freedom. The third purchase: invest in yourself, your education and skills. This is the highest return investment you can make, because it directly increases your earning power. You don't need a 4-year degree or massive student loans. Target high-demand skills: coding, project management, digital marketing, data analytics, or trades. A $1,000 course could land you a job that pays $20,000 more per year, a 2,000% return. Look at job postings to see what skills are in demand, then invest in learning them. Upskilling protects you from job loss and keeps you valuable in a changing economy. Don't just wait for a raise, create your own by learning new, marketable skills. These skills can also launch a side business, giving you even more income streams. Set a monthly budget for personal development, buy books, take online courses, attend workshops. Treat your growth like an investment account. Age is no barrier. Online resources make learning accessible to everyone. The only limit is your willingness to put in the work. Investing in yourself pays off for life. Don't settle for slow automatic raises. Engineer your own income jumps. Use your increased earnings to invest more in index funds and real estate. This creates a powerful wealth-building feedback loop. Prioritize skill building. It's the foundation for every other smart purchase. The more you know, the more you can earn and invest. Make yourself your most valuable asset. Number 4. Buy a reliable used car instead of a new one. This is one of the smartest financial moves you can make, and it's a decision that pays off for years to come. New cars lose value fast, up to 20% in the first year and 60% after 5 years. That's a massive drop, and it happens whether you drive the car or just leave it parked. That's thousands of dollars gone just for the privilege of being the first owner. You're essentially paying a premium for that new car smell and a few extra features. Instead, buy a 2- or 3-year-old car, let someone else take the depreciation hit. These cars often look and feel new, but cost so much less. Choose brands known for reliability like Toyota or Honda, and always get a pre-purchase inspection. A little research goes a long way toward peace of mind. Even with slightly higher maintenance, you'll save far more than you'd lose to new car depreciation. Used cars may need occasional repairs, but the savings add up quickly. The money you save on the purchase, insurance, and taxes can be invested in assets that grow. Every dollar not spent on a new car is a dollar that can work for you. Don't view your car as a status symbol, see it as a tool. A reliable car gets you where you need to go, and that's what really matters. Wealthy people aren't impressed by new car payments, they're impressed by investment portfolios. They know that true wealth is built by making smart choices, not flashy purchases. The goal is to be rich, not look rich. Driving a used car is a badge of financial wisdom, not a sign of lack. Calculate the total cost of ownership, including depreciation, before you buy. Factor in insurance, taxes, and maintenance to see the real numbers. Compare new versus used. The difference is your investment capital. That gap can be the seed money for your future wealth. That's money you can put to work in index funds or real estate. Over time, these investments can grow far more than any car ever could. This one decision can change your financial future. It's a small shift in thinking, but it leads to big results. People who always buy new cars struggle to build wealth. High payments and fast depreciation keep them stuck in a financial rut. Those who buy reliable used cars and invest the difference get ahead. They enjoy financial freedom and peace of mind. It's a simple, powerful move. Anyone can do it, and the benefits are real. Don't fall for the marketing hype. Do the math. Advertisers want you to believe you need the latest model, but your wallet knows better. Make your car purchase a wealth-building decision. Every smart choice adds up over time. Free up cash for smarter investments. Let your money work for you, not for the car companies. Drive a great car, but let your money grow elsewhere. Enjoy the journey, knowing you're building a better future. This is how you save a fortune and get richer. It's not about sacrifice, it's about making your money count. Be smart, buy used, invest the rest. Your future self will thank you for this wise decision. The fifth smart purchase: create your own income stream, a side business. Relying on one job is risky. A side hustle gives you a financial safety net and accelerates your wealth building. Extra income from a side business can be invested to reach your goals faster. You don't need a huge investment. Start with a website, basic equipment, or a small inventory. Leverage your skills. Write, design, bake, tutor, or offer services online. Start small and test your idea with minimal risk. The real investment is your time and effort. Side businesses can scale. What starts as freelancing can grow into an agency or brand. You learn valuable skills: marketing, sales, and financial management. Don't get overwhelmed. Aim for your first $500 a month, then build from there. Focus on solving problems or providing value. The purchase here is the foundation: a domain name, tools, or supplies. This is how you buy yourself a new source of income. Over time, your side hustle can become a major asset. It's not about becoming a millionaire overnight, it's about building momentum. Each step brings you closer to financial freedom. Take inventory of your skills and passions. What can you offer? What problem can you solve? Start brainstorming and take action. The best investment might be the one you create yourself. Build something that pays you, not just your employer. That's how you buy your own income stream. There you have it. 5 smart purchases to build real wealth: index funds, real estate education, a reliable used car, and your own side business. Each one shifts you from consumer to wealth builder. Start where you are with what you have. Which of these will you focus on first? Take action this week. Share your thoughts in the comments. What smart purchases have helped you? If you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth building strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Focus on making smart, long-term purchases rather than chasing quick gains. These 5 buys will help you build wealth steadily, giving you financial freedom in the future. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.